We are going to take a look at a Northtech NT-DC005-73 7.5 horsepower 4900 CFM dust collector. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is a really clean Northtech 7.5 horsepower dust collector. The 12 30 micron nylon woven filter bags are 5 foot high with sewn in rubber seals. They enable this collector to produce 4900 CFM. There are a total of 4 5-inch inlets on top of the 4-inch by 14-inch steel impeller.